Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard old-school beat. First, let's set up our foundation. Begin by selecting a classic drum machine sound, perhaps from a Roland TR-808 or 909. Set your tempo to a comfortable 85 to 95 beats per minute. Then, program a powerful kick drum on the first and third beats of each measure. Follow this with a crisp snare drum on the second and fourth beats to establish that essential backbeat. This simple start creates a solid rhythmic core. Now let's add some percussive layers to enrich our beat. Program closed hi-hats on every eighth note to maintain a steady, driving rhythm. For a bit more swing and energy, strategically place open hi-hats on the off beats. Consider adding shakers or tambourines to introduce a subtle, shimmering high-end texture. Don't forget to experiment with rim shots or claps, perhaps layered with your snare, to give it extra punch and character. These elements bring life to your groove. Next, we'll introduce the melodic and harmonic elements. Develop a simple, repetitive bass line using a warm, analog-style synthesizer. Make sure this bass line locks in tightly with your kick drum, creating a powerful low-end foundation. Then, craft a short, catchy melodic loop. This could be a classic synth sound or a sampled instrument. Remember, old-school melodies are often simple and memorable, sometimes using just 2 or 3 notes to great effect. Finally, let's refine our beat with some mixing and polishing. Apply subtle compression to your drums to make them sound tighter and punchier, giving them that classic snap. Use a low-pass filter on your bass line to ensure it remains warm and round, sitting perfectly in the mix. A touch of reverb or delay can add space and depth to your overall sound. Carefully adjust the volume of each track to achieve a balanced and impactful final mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.